Hi guys, hope you're all keeping well. So today I am fitting the customized wheel cover, steering wheel cover. Now it's finished in Alcantara, half leather, half Alcantara, whipped. UK has very kindly sent me out this product. I already had a look at it. It's got everything in the package that I need. Gonna be doing a bit of stitching today. Got the thread there with the needle. Here's the cover. I can't lie, I'm nervous, man. I've never done this before, guys, and I really do hope that it does turn out well. I'm gonna give it a shot. Here's a little screenshot of their page on Instagram. Make sure to check them out. The quality is fantastic. You can customize whichever one you want. I went for the half leather, well, a little bit leather at the top and at the bottom, and then on the sides finished in Alcantara. And I'll also leave their link to their page in the link description below. So guys, please do make sure to check them out. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm gonna have to measure this up, put it around the wheel, make sure that these side parts are, you know, matching and nicely tucked in, because it's very important that this stage is done correctly. Wish me luck, guys. So we got the leather part there, Alcantara on the sides, and then a bit more leather at the bottom. Now what we are going to do is get this orange stick. Sorry, I don't know what it's called, but this orange piece of thing, and we're just gonna poke these bits so they sit right in there alongside the edges over here. Make sure that it's nice and fitted. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've pushed them into the corners on each side. Now we're gonna get onto the sewing. Let's start on one side and then go to the other. Right guys, so we've got some progress. Both sides have been stitched up. I can't lie, that was a difficult one that to do. It's gone dark, it was daylight. Yeah, both sides are stitched up. I'm gonna stitch this top part off. So I'm gonna quickly get on with this, and then hopefully we have a final. Ready on?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Nice.
Do you like it? Boom! There you have it, guys. What do you think of that? The finished result. Wow, doesn't that look good? Jeez! Yo, I'm gassed, man. Wow, 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 wow. Let's do an Archie Hamilton saying, that looks absolutely chaos. Chaos. What do you guys think? Oh, it feels so good. Just listen to that. Oof. Look how... Wow, man. Half leather, half Alcantara. I'm a happy man. I'm definitely a happy man. Right guys, as you can see, this is a before. So it looks quite shiny now, the steering wheel. Boom! I'm so happy with it, and I want to say a big thank you to Whipped UK for sending me out this product. Guys, make sure to check them out. It's a must. This modification on a car is a must. I know for future reference now I'll always be getting an Alcantara wheel because it just feels so good. I mean, oh yeah, wow. I can't wait to go for a drive in that. But yeah, guys, it did take me a long time, so it was a short, quick, snappy video. I didn't want to long things out in this video, just a quick breakdown on what I was gonna do. Sorry if I didn't get footage on how to actually install it. I was watching videos along the way myself on YouTube, seeing how I could do it, because I'm not gonna lie, This is a really big struggle, guys, but alhamdulillah, it's all been done now. And that's that. I'm gonna wrap the video here. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, keep smiling. One love. Thank you, guys.
Back in, jumping